about, obviously, with our discussions with manufacturers, is about the ongoing resource challenges in the sector at the moment. How's the role of automation evolving, and how important is that becoming in that respect?
I think we're in this sort of double parody at the moment, where we've had a lack of people coming into manufacturing and engineering for many years, plus we've got this chronic workforce shortage as well. So those two things coming together, just creating this absolute crisis. So every single customer I speak to at the moment just cannot get people, cannot get the right people.
Yeah.
So how can we help? Automation can definitely help with that, because what you've got to do is use those people you've got in better, more value-adding ways.
Sure.
So, for example, if you've got somebody that opens invoices coming in from suppliers, keys them on systems and everything else, don't. Use automation for that. Use invoice, receive those invoices electronically, bring them straight into your ERP system, three-way matching, pay them. And then you can use that person that was doing that to maybe have conversations with your suppliers, work out how to get a better sourcing relationship and those sort of things. So I think automation can't help you hire people, although I'm sure there are HR systems out there that tell you they can. But what it can do is it can help you use the people you've got in the businesses better. It's getting those people you have got to be more effective and add more value.